Hello children, welcome to today's class. Today's subject is computer, lesson number 5. Microsoft Word, some more features. In last class, we learned what is ribbon, what is quick access toolbar, how to insert a text, insert tab, inserting word art, inserting a text box, clip art, picture from a file, adjusting the pictures, inserting shapes, borders and shadings. We learn about main features in Microsoft Word, right? In today's class, we are going to know about some more features of Microsoft Word like text box, equation, symbols and special characters, spell check, change case, thesaurus, word count, password. You are quite familiar with various word processing features of Microsoft Word. Today we shall learn to work with some more interesting features of Microsoft Word. First one is text box. Now we type something or some documents, or we prepared a file. In that you need to add some more text in middle of that document. We can insert a text box. Is a box that lets you enter text in any section of the page. A text box can be moved around easily. You can select where you want the text box insert, or we can move the text box where we want easily. Adding a text box, click Insert, Text Box, select simple text box and type inside the text box. Inserting a picture inside the text box. Now look at the picture children in format menu. When we click on the format menu, we can get text boxes. In that we can insert picture also. First, insert a text box and click inside it. Click Insert. Go to the picture option on ribbon. Select a picture and click Insert. Which picture do you want to insert inside the text box? Click that picture and give Insert. Picture will insert inside the text box. Formatting a text box. If you need to formatting a text box means which style, which shape do you want, we can give that text box in that shape, color, border or effect. We can give whatever we want to that. Click on the text box and then Format tab. Go to Format tab. Select in that shape which shape you want. Give the outline, shape fill or shape effects. Whatever you want, we can give that. Fill the text box with color. Give text box an outline. Change the color of the text and add effects. And change the shape of the text box. Moving text box. If you want to assemble the text box in starting, we can move that, or middle or side of the page or down of the page. We can move easily by dragging the drag symbol on the text box to new location. Deleting a text box. If you doesn't need the text box, we can delete it easily. Click on the text box border of the text box you want to delete and press the key delete. if you don't want the text box, just click on it and press delete key. Make sure that the pointer is not inside the text box. You should click on the border of the text box. If the pointer is not on the border, pressing delete key, it will delete the text inside the text box. So, you should be careful deleting the text box. Just click on the border, not inside the text box. Equations. Now, we should add some equations to your document or file. Whatever you are typing, we can add equations. Go to Insert tab, Symbols group. In that, select Equations or insert new equations and type an equation. Just they gave binomial theorem or any other equations. Which type of equation you are going to give, just select and write your equations forms. Symbols and special characters. On the keyboard, we doesn't have a different keys. So, we are using the symbol method. Symbol and special characters are punctuation, spacing or typographical characters that are not generally available on the standard keyboard. To insert this symbol and special characters, place the cursor in the Word document where you want the desired symbol. Where you want that desired symbol, just click on that, place the cursor. Just drag the mouse and click on the mouse button, the cursor will place there. Now go to Insert, select in Symbol Groups, Symbol. It shows some drop-up menu. Which symbol do you want? You can select that. Click on the More Symbols button to get various types of special characters. Click on a special character and then Insert button to add it to your document. If you need more symbols, it shows like that. Which type of symbols do you want? You can insert that. First select, then press Insert button. Spell check. All are not perfect in typing. While typing, some mistakes can happen. That time, computer will insist you, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is grammatical mistake or spelling mistake. It indicates that mistakes there. So a very important feature of a word processor is the spelling and grammar of document. It check spelling and grammar of document. By default, Microsoft Word checks spelling and grammar automatically as you type. It uses zigzag red underline to indicate possible spelling errors, means spelling mistakes, and zigzag green underlines. It indicates possible grammatical errors. Grammatical error means some space or comma like that, or uppercase or lowercase. It shows the in green underline. If any spelling mistakes, it indicates in zigzag red lines. So when it is in red line, we should understand there is a spelling mistake. When it is there is in green underline, there is grammatical mistake. Just right click on the underline word to view suggested correction. It shows which type of correction the proper one is. It shows. When we click right on that underline word, it corrections in spelling or grammar. Change case. If you need to change the case of your word or letter, we can change it. Lowercase or uppercase, a sentence case, capitalize each word or toggle case. Any type case we want, we can give that. There are times when you would like to change the case of a block of text from lowercase to uppercase or vice versa. To do this, first select the text. Which text do you want? Place the cursor and hold the mouse button and drag the mouse button. How much do you want? Which word do you want? When they selected, it shows in blue highlighted words. Okay. After that, go to Home tab. In font group, change case, or look at the picture, A and small a, capital A and small a. It the symbol of change cases. Click on that. Now select which type of cases do you want. Sentence cases or lowercase or uppercase, capitalize or toggle case. Which do you want to change your text block? Give that option. Next, thesaurus. Thesaurus means it is a mini Wikipedia of words, which let you replace a word with its synonym. Synonym means or words having similar meaning. So, if you need to give another word to that word, we can use thesaurus. For that, go to first select the word, then go to Review tab. In that, click thesaurus. To use one of the words in the list result, point to it and click Insert. Word count. In MS Word, it shows how much word, how much letter, how many pages we are using, everything it shows. So for word count, if you want to know the how much word, how much letter we typed, if you want to know that, go to word count. To count the numbers of pages or words, characters, paragraphs, lines in a document, first go to Review. Click on that tab, Review tab. Choose a word count option. One dialog box will appear. It's showing the details. Check pages, how many pages we used, it shows. How much we used, it shows. Okay. In the picture, pages 1, words 73, characters 531, characters with space 600, paragraphs 4 paragraphs, lines 9 lines. It shows everything. We can check what we are doing in the MS Word. It shows in page, words, everything. Now we learned about everything in the computer, but we need to keep the things safely. So we need to keep the contents of a Word document secret. Microsoft Word let us protect your document with passwords. Even we are using in our cell phones also, mobiles also, we are using passwords, right? Like pattern, numbers, some characters. So like that we can give password to our documents or files in computer also. For that, first go to File tab. In File tab, go to Info. In that, select Protect Document. Protect Document. When you click on that, one dialog box will appear. In that, select encrypt with password. Encrypt with password means without password we couldn't open that file. Okay. Now give a 8 character of passwords, means 8 number or 9. The main thing is a perfect strong password means it should be 8 characters, or uppercase, lowercase, any number, whatever it is, but it should be in 8 character. That is the strongest password. It shows, if it is strongest, it shows in green. If it is not stronger means it shows in a red color. So we should change the password on that time. Okay. Now, which password do you want to give that? Type in that. In the encrypt document dialog box, type a password, click OK. In the confirm password dialog box, retype the password. What you gave the password, you should type again to confirm the password. Then save the password and save the file. I told that if a strong password means it combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. These are make a password stronger. Weak passwords don't mix these elements. If you need to give 4, 5, 3, 2, 6 like the only numbers or only uppercase, only lowercase, these are not a safest password. So we should give a password with mixed characters. Okay, children. This is today's lesson. A recap. A text box is a meant for entering text in any section of a document. To delete a text box, select the text box and then press delete key. The thesaurus replaces a word with its synonym. The word count option lets you keep count of the number of pages, words, characters, paragraphs and lines in the document. The password features in Word lets you protect your document and keeps it content secret. These are today's lesson, children. Read the lesson once in your textbook and practice well. Thank you, children.